Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1320 and printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, before you proceed, please copy a link that is being attached at the description box below. You will be able to see two links that is being attached, and if you're using a 32-bit PC, then proceed with the specific link next to it, and if you're using 64-bit, then you will be able to see a link that is being attached next to it. So all you need to do is you need to copy on the specific link that is in accordance with your operating system. Once you're good, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Now a best match would appear the moment you have typed it. All you need to do is you need to click on open to continue. Once you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the Windows search bar and press Ctrl V key in the keyboard and click on Enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So you would be able to be redirected to the mega file. We just have to wait until the requesting for the folder data would be finished before we can proceed, okay? And once the exe file would be showing here, all you need to do is you need to click on this download option aligning to it. Okay, and eventually it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until this process would be completed before we can proceed to the installation. Once it is being downloaded, it will show here completed, meaning we have successfully downloaded it. Please proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there an exe file. All you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon so that you would be redirected to this location. So from here, you need to proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a cat icon. Please click on it. Close the window as well as this. Do a right click here and go with the spaced icon. The moment you have pasted this one, all you need to do is you need to do a right click once again. And from here, you need to scroll down, okay? And we just have to click on this WinRAR and go with extract to LaserJet 1320. Okay? So wait until it will be successfully extracted. Okay. And if it'll take some time on showing a new folder here, no need to worry. We just have to proceed with the File Explorer here. Bring it up, proceed to the left pane, select on the desktop. Okay, and it will show up here. So once you're good, close the window and proceed to the Start icon. Do a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, navigate at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please proceed with the option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices section, you need to scroll down and look for devices. And here at the devices settings, we need to proceed on the related settings where you can see a list of the options. After that, please select on more devices and printer settings so that you would be able to bring up this new window called devices and printers where you can see all of the devices and printers being installed here in your Windows PC or laptop. So after that, please proceed at the upper left side of the screen. You can see there an option called add a printer so that you would be able to bring up this window. So please click on it to bring up this one and go with the printer that I want is enlisted and go with this fifth option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with next, and it will ask you to choose for an existing port or a printer port. All you need to do is you need to click this down arrow and proceed at the bottom of that. You can see there three USB ports. Just select any of this, okay? No other than that. In my case, I'll be setting USB 001 USB port as my existing port. So by that, click on next and this window would appear. Go with have disk, go with browse, and under this window, proceed to the left pane where you can see desktop. Please click on it and scroll down and proceed with this LaserJet 1320. So double tap to it and it will show you the driver here. Please click on open. go with OK, and eventually it will show up here. So from that on, you can now click on next and you can rename that into HP LaserJet 1320n. Go with next and it will now start on the installation. We just have to wait until this process would be finished. Okay? And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, just proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation. So for a couple few minutes, we will be able to finish this installation. So let's just be patient on waiting for it. Once done, if you would like to allow for the printer sharing, you can turn this on. And if you don't want to, you can turn the first on. In my case, I'm allowing it. That's why I'm going with the second one, and go with next. So if you would like to set it as your default printer, check the box. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked. Once done, go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1320n in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, simply close the window as well as this and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.